he or she is in a very bad state and they are not able to live. They are crying out of pain every day, and the families have also sell their lungs to give the bills for that patient. In that case, euthanasia should take place. But if the person has a chance of recovery, so in that case euthanasia is not justified. Why to kill them when they want to live?
Euthanasia should be practiced there and then. They should be provided comfort, of course. But there are certain cases where the situation of the patient is so extreme that they are completely dependent upon their providers. They are financially dependent on their family members or their healthcare providers. Dignity of life is severely compromised.
All, I just introduce what is mercy killing. If like many of the students don't know what is mercy killing. Like mercy killing is the term that is coined by Sir Francis Bacon, and it is a Greek word, eu and thanatos, which means the good death. It's feels like when a person is suffering from a unbearable disease such as like the fourth stage of cancer, or you can say like a neurological problem.
Euthanasia, and I think it should be legalized in some ways, because it is a legal process. It should be a legal process with some safeguards, that it should not be allowed for all the people. Like each people are saying that I have that much mental issue and I want to die. It should used as with safeguards, and I think human body has should have a autonomy over their bodies.
If I talk about only in India, so in India, I think it's never be allowed, because there are many religious values. Are if I say we have a different religion, different caste, and they have a different rituals according to that.
In both the hands, because it should be given to doctors as well as it should be given to the family as well. As I am going to give you example. Suppose a person is suffering from rabies.
Already discussed that the terrorists who are also ending the life of the people, don't they believe that the human life is sacred? Why are they killing their own people?